Hello parents and good morning children. Welcome to Standard 3 Mental Maths class. Our today's topic is Roman numerals. Before starting the exercises children, let us know about a few facts on Roman numerals. Some important points. The symbols that we use for Roman numerals. I, V, X, L, C, D and M. They have their value in the Hindu Arabic numerals. I equal to 1, V equals to 5, X equals to 10, L equals to 50, C equals to 100, D equals to 500, M equals to 1000. All the other numbers are formed by writing the 7 letters in different combinations following the certain rules. So, accepting these, all the other numbers that we write in a Roman numeral, we'll use these particular symbols and write the numbers. Rules of Roman numerals. Rule number 1. When a smaller symbol is written after a greater symbol, it is added. Example, equal to V represents 5 and I represents 1. So, V plus I or 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So, the value of VI is 6. Xi. X represents 10. I represents 1. So 10 plus 1 equal to 11. This is the symbol of greater value and this is the symbol of lesser value. So when a smaller symbol is written after a greater symbol, it is added. Rule number 2. If a symbol is written after itself, it is added. Example, I equal to 1 plus 1, that equal to 2. Next example, X plus X plus X equal to X represents 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30. Rule number 3. When a smaller symbol appears before a greater symbol, it is subtracted. That means equal to I represents 1 and X represents 10. So what do we have to do children? Now we have to subtract 10 minus 1. That equals to 9. So the value of this is 9. Now the next symbol, I represents again 1, V represents 5. So 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Now you can understand the difference between rule 1 and rule 2. Now you can understand the difference between rule 1 and rule 3. The same numbers are written here, but since the number V is of a greater value and number I is of a lesser value, so we add here and here. The same thing, when the lesser value number is written before the greater value number, then we subtract. Rule 4. When a Roman numeral of smaller value is put between two numerals of greater value, it is subtracted from the numeral on its right side. So X, I, V. Example. Now X equal to 10, I equal to 1 and V equal to 5. So these two are numerals of greater value and this is a numeral of lesser value. So we have to subtract it from the numeral on its right hand side. So this is the numeral on our right hand side. So 10 plus 5 minus 1, that equals to 15 minus 1 equal to 14. So the value of this X, I, V is 14. Important points on Roman numerals. Point number 1. V, L and D cannot be repeated. You cannot repeat V, L and D. Number 2. No Roman numeral can come together more than 3 times. That means I equal to 3. But if you write it 4 times, it does not become 4. That is wrong. Point number 3. A Roman numeral of smaller value can be placed before another of greater value only once. Thus, we cannot write IIV or IIIV. We can only write IV. That makes it 4. Based on the rules we just now learned, let us solve a few exercises on Roman numerals. Question number 1. Write the Roman numerals for 16. 16 means 10 plus 6. That equals to X represents 10 plus V plus I equals to 16. 40. How do we write 40? X, L. Why XL? L represents 50 minus 10, that makes it 40. 58. L represents 50 plus 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Write the Hindu Arabic numerals for XIV. X is 10. IV means 5 minus 1, that makes it 14. XXV. 10 plus 10 plus 5, that makes it 25. Again, LXIV. L equals to 50 plus X means 10, that means 60. 5 minus 1, that makes it 64. Fill in the blanks with greater than, lesser than or equal to sign. IX and XV. So, IX equals to 10 minus 1, that is 9. And XV is 10 plus 5, that is 15. So, which is greater, children? 15. Now, 25. XXV. 10 plus 10 plus 5, that makes it 25 here also. So, what sign will it be? Both sides 25? Equal to. XXVI. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5, 25 plus 1, 6. So, this is 26. Now, this side 10 plus 1, that makes it 11. So, which is greater, children? 26. The product of 7 and 5 in Roman numeral is 7 5s are 35. How do we write it? X, 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 V. 35. The months in a year. There are how many months in a year, children? 12 months. How do we write that? X represents 10, I, 12. Question number 6. Solve and write the answer in Roman numerals. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. So, how do we write this in Roman numerals? 10 plus 3. So, 10 we write as X plus 3 means I makes it 13. 3 into 8. 3 into 8 is 24. 3 8s are 24. Now, how do we write this in Roman numerals? 20 means X plus X. 10 plus 10, 20. Now, we write 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. X minus XV. X is 20 and XV means 10 plus 5 makes it 15. So, 20 minus 15 is 5. How do we write 5, children? Yes, the symbol V represents 5. 40 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5 is how much, children? 5 8s are 40. So, 8 is your answer. And how do we write this in Roman numerals? V represents 5 plus I plus I plus I. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. Now the seventh question. Underline the meaningless Roman numeral. I. So 4 I's means it is meaningless because we have already read that a symbol cannot be repeated 4 times. XIV, 10. Then over here 5 minus 1 is 4. So it makes it 14. So this one. Now 10 plus 10 plus 10 makes it 30. Come here again. IV. Now we cannot repeat a Roman numeral of lesser value before a Roman numeral of greater value more than once. So this again is meaningless. L. I. Again the same thing, 4 times repetition is wrong. So these 3 are meaningless. The difference between 150 and 50 in Roman numerals is how much, children? 150 minus 50 means 100. So 100 is represented by the symbol C. Dash, dash and dash cannot be repeated. What are the alphabets that cannot be repeated as Roman numerals, children? V, L and D. Write the Roman numeral for 79. How do we write 79, children? L represents 50 plus X makes it 70 plus 9. 10 minus 1, that makes it 9. So 79. So I hope you understood the rules that I taught you about Roman numerals today and the exercises we did related to it. Worksheets based on these will be uploaded on your school website. Please go through it well and practice. Thank you.